Welcome to the free AI agent series. In this series, we will learn what are AI agents, what is the architecture of an AI agent, the difference between generative AI versus agentic AI, what are multi-AI agents, and how they work together. Let's start with what are AI agents. AI agents are nothing but small programs which help you to automate the repetitive task on daily basis in your personal or professional life. Whether it's drafting an email on behalf of you, posting a content behalf of you, or following up with the clients on behalf of you. So for each and everything which task you do on a daily basis repeatedly, you can build an AI agent for that. This is one of the biggest opportunity in front of all of us. In these days, a single person can run a 50 people or 100 people's company easily by building different AI agents. How companies are leveraging AI agents in these days? Because in every company or organization has different departments: HR, marketing, sales, customer support, finance, research, and in these days now coding, right? For each and every department has some different kind of repetitive tasks. Those tasks can be automated now in these days by building different AI agents for different departments. In the next video, we will learn the difference between generative AI versus agentic AI with an practical example.